Sense it. I'm gonna get a double.
Mate, the thing I'm gonna catch here is cold.
Well, good morning, welcome to Aquatic College. My name is Bri and today I am fishing at Partridge Fisheries on Holbar Lake. I'm going to be fishing with my friend David Savage. He's determined to catch a double this year, so we're leaving it last minute because it's Saturday the 14th of December. It is 6 degrees and it is like the Arctic outside, so we're being optimistic, but we've always got a chance. The gates open at 7:30 a.m. And then we'll get set up, hide in the bivvy, and then hopefully next time you see us we'll have a fish on the bank. So wish us luck and hopefully I'll see you in a bit. Double, David. Sense it. I'm gonna get a double.
Mate, the thing I'm gonna catch here is cold.
They always say there's a pot of gold at the end of a rainbow. Wonder if there's any carp. Oh, for God's sake, the wind's even blown the rainbow away. Story of our lives.
It's calling me, like the rainbow, It's calling me, like the rainbow,
And here at Partridge, we have the Savage, waiting for that first fish. And still he waits, like a coiled spring. To be continued. by their distinctive legs. I'm supposed to get out. Stimulating. That elusive plant. Speaking of bites, how's your finger?
Alright, mate, yeah. Just got an injury while trying to get out of it.
Right. There's still time. It's at 1 o'clock, isn't it? Or is it 2 now?
It's 7 minutes past 1.
Right.
Which wasn't
Still time.
just about.
So, an hour and a half before the end, and he's only gone and done it. He's caught a fish named after himself. He's caught a savage. So, you happy with that? Catch him on?
Oh look, it's like Savage has sent out his bait boat. Oh, it's doing over in my peg. Where's all the ground bait? Bit stingy that.
Beast. People say lightning doesn't strike in the same place twice, but Savage has. With the brooch! That beast. What's your opinion, Savage?
It's a fish. I'll take
Is
it.
it?
It's a fish.
Right.
On the 14th of December, I'll take it.
Can't feel my fingers, but if I could, I'd clap. So, well done, mate.
Cheers. Look like all my activity before, mate. Got me left hand rod.
Mm.
Now that's become dormant.
So that's it. Savages beat me 2-1. Just to think, could have been sat at home. Nice warm house, comfy sofa, hot chocolate in my hand, watching crap TV. Merry Christmas everyone.